job.
At the Bondi Clinic, Kate and vet nurse Fran are examining a nasty skin infection on Border Collie Bernie's neck.
What we actually call this is a pyotraumatic dermatitis. That's also known as a hot spot, an area of infected skin that's really hot and really, really distressing for animals. They often happen around the collar. It's very, very painful. It's a very good thing that they came in this early. If it was left, this infection would just continue to get worse and worse and worse. It would have been a surgical job. This is going to be a little bit sore for Bernie for the next couple of days, but luckily, rescue dog Bernie is not going to need surgery.
Almost done, almost done.
You know, he's obviously very anxious and this is obviously really sore for him, and he's been such a good dog.